ओमज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरौ श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनासहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनेति नामने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। नमः ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामिनेति नामने। प्रभुपादस्य साहित्ये प्रकाशवितीर्ये च प्रचारं कृतवान् साधु भगवत्पादाय ते नमः। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रील गुरुदेव की जय। सत्वं विशुद्धं वसुदेव शब्दतं यद् ईयते तत्र पुमान् अपावृतः सत्त्वे च तस्मिन् भगवान् वासुदेवो हय अधोक्षजो मे मनसा निधीयते विधीयते। Sattvam existence Vishuddham pure Vasudev Shabditam named Vasudev yet from which Iyate appears Tatra in that Puman the Supreme Personality of God Apavrita without any covering Sattve in goodness Cha and Tasmin that Bhagavan the Supreme Personality of God Vasudeva Vasudev he certainly Adokshaja who is enjoyed beyond the senses may my Manasa by the mind Vidiyate is procured. Translation: the condition of the pure goodness, Shuddha Sattva, in which the Supreme Personality of Godhead is revealed without any covering, is called Vasudev. In that pure state, the Supreme Godhead, who is beyond the material senses and who is known as Vasudeva, is perceived by my mind. Purport: this text from Srimad Bhagavatam 4.3.23, spoken by Lord Shiva when he condemned Daksha, the father of Sati, as an opponent of Vishnu, confirms beyond a doubt that Lord Krishna, his name, his fame, his qualities, and everything in connection with his paraphernalia exist in the Sandhini Shakti of the Lord's internal potency. कृष्णे भगवत्ता ज्ञान संवितेर सार ब्रह्म ज्ञानादिक सब तार परिवार. Krishna in the Krishna, Bhagavata, the quality of being the original supreme personality of Godhead, Jnana, the knowledge, Samvetera of the knowledge potency, Sara, the essence, Brahma Jnana, knowledge of Brahman, Adik, and so on, Sab, all, Tar of that, Parivar, dependence. Translation: the essence of the Samvit potency is knowledge that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is Lord Krishna, and all other kinds of knowledge, such as knowledge of Brahman, are its components. Purport: the activities of Samvit Shakti produce the effect of cognition. Both the Lord and the living entities are cognizant. Sri Krishna, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, has full knowledge of everything everywhere, and therefore there are no hindrance to his cognition. He can have knowledge merely by glancing over an object, whereas innumerable impediments block the cognition of ordinary living beings. The cognition of living beings has three divisions: direct knowledge, indirect knowledge, and perverted knowledge. Sense perception of material objects by the mundane senses such as eye, ear, nose, and hand always produces definitely perverted knowledge. This illusion is a presentation of material energy, which is influenced by the Samvit Shakti in a perverted manner. Negative cognition of an object beyond the reach of sense perception is a way of indirect knowledge, which is not altogether imperfect, but which produces only fragmentary knowledge in the form of impersonal spiritual realization and monism. But when the Samvit factor of the cognition is enlightened by the Alhadini potency of the same internal energy, then they work together, and only thus can one attain knowledge of the personality of Godhead. The Samvit Shakti should be maintained in that state. Material knowledge and indirect spiritual knowledge are byproducts of Samvit Shakti. अल्हादे नीर सार प्रेम प्रेम सार भाव भावेर परमाकाष्ठा नाम महाभाव. Alhade Neer Sar, Alhade Neer of the pleasure potency, Sar, the essence, Prema, love for God, Prema Sar, the essence of such love, Bhava, emotions, Bhavir of emotions, Param Kashta, the highest limit, Nam, name, Mahabhav, Mahabhav. Translation: the essence of Alladini potency is love of God. The essence of love of God is emotion, bhav, and the ultimate development of emotion is Mahabhav. Purport: the product of Alladini Shakti is love of Godhead, which has two divisions, namely pure love of Godhead and adulterated love of Godhead. Only when the Alhadini Shakti emanates from Sri Krishna and is bestowed upon the living being to attract him does the living being become a pure lover for God. But when the same Alhadini Shakti is adulterated by the external material energy and emanates from the living being, it does not attract Krishna. On the contrary, the living being becomes attracted by the glamour of the material energy. At that time, instead of becoming mad with love of Godhead, the living being becomes mad after the material sense enjoyment, and because of his association with qualitative modes of material nature, he is captivated by his interactions of distressful, unhappy feelings. महाभाव स्वरूप श्री राधा ठाकुरानी सर्वगुण खानी कृष्ण कांत शिरोमणि. Mahabhava of Mahabhava Swarupa, the form Sri Radha Thakurani, Srimati Radharani, Sarvaguna of all good qualities, Khani, mine, Krishna Kanta of the lovers of Lord Krishna, Shiromani, crown jewel. Sri Radha Thakurani is the embodiment of Mahabhava. She is the repository of all good qualities and the crest jewel among all the lovely consorts of Lord Krishna. Purport: the unadulterated action of Aladini Shakti is displayed in the dealings of damsels of Braja and Srimati Radharani, who is the topmost participant in that transcendental group. The essence of Aladini Shakti is the love of Godhead. The essence of love of Godhead is Bhav, or transcendental sentiment, and the highest pitch of that Bhav is called Mahabhav. Srimati Radharani is personified embodiment of these three aspects of the transcendental consciousness. She is therefore the highest principle of love of Godhead and is the supreme lovable object of Sri Krishna. तयोरपि उभयोर्मध्ये राधिका सर्वताधिक महाभावस्वरूपेयं गुणैरतिवरीयसे. तयोर of them api even ubhayo of both Chandravali and Radharani, Madhye in the middle, Radhika, Srimati Radharani, Sarvatha in every way, Adhika greater, Mahabhava Swarupa, the form of Mahabhava, Iyam, this one, Guna, with good qualities, Ativariyasi, best of all. Of the two gopis, Radharani and Chandravali, Srimati Radharani is superior in all respects. She is the embodiment of Mahabhava and she surpasses all in good qualities. There is a quotation from Srila Rupa Goswami's Ujjvala Neelamadi Radha Prakarana 3. कृष्ण प्रेम भावित यार चित्तेन्द्रिय काय कृष्ण निज शक्ति राधा क्षीर सहाय क्रीडर सहाय. Krishna Prema, love for Lord Krishna, Bhavita, steeped in Yar, whose chitta, mind, indriya, senses, kaya, body, Krishna of Lord Krishna, Nija Shakti, his own energy, Radha, Srimati Radharani, Kridar of pastimes, Sahaya, companion. Translation: her mind, senses, and body are steeped in love for Krishna. She is Krishna's own energy and she helps him in his pastimes. Purport: Srimati Radharani is as fully spiritual as Krishna. No one should consider her to be material. She is definitely not like the conditioned souls who have material bodies, gross and subtle, covered by the material senses. She is all spiritual and both her body and her mind are of the same spiritual embodiment. Because her body is spiritual, her senses are also spiritual. Thus her body, mind and senses fully shine in love for Krishna. She is the personified Alhadini Shakti, the pleasure-giving energy of the Lord's internal potency, and therefore she is the only source of enjoyment for Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna cannot enjoy anything that is internally different from him. Therefore, Radha and Sri Krishna are identical. The Sandhini portion of Sri Krishna's internal potency has manifested the all-attractive form of Sri Krishna, and the same internal potency in the Ahladini feature has presented Srimati Radharani, who is the attraction for the all-attractive. No one can match Srimati Radharani in the transcendental pastimes of Sri Krishna. आनंद चिन्मय रस प्रतिभाविताभिस् ताभिर्य एव निज रूपतया कलाभि गोलोक एव निवसति अखिलात्मभूतो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Anand, bliss, chit, and knowledge, maya, consisting of rasa, mellows, prati at every second, bhavitabhi, who are engrossed with tabi, with those yah, who, eva, certainly, nijarupataya, with his own form, kalabi, who are parts of the portion of his pleasure potency, golokya, in the golok vrindavan, eva, certainly, nivasati, resides, akhilatma, as the soul of all, puta, who exists, Govindam, Lord Govinda, Adi Purusham, the original personality, Tam, I, him, Aham, I, Bhajami, worship. Translation: I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, who resides in his own realm, Golok with Radha, who resembles his own spiritual figure and who embodies the ecstatic potency, Alhadini. Their companions are her confidants, who embody extensions of her bodily form and who are imbued and permeated with her blissful spiritual rasa. This text is from Brahma Samhita 5.37. कृष्णेर्य कार्यायै रस आस्वादन क्रीडारसायै शून विवरण. Krishnera unto Lord Krishna Karaya causes to do Yeche how Rasa the mellows Asmadana tasting Kridar of pastimes Sahaya helper Yeche how Shuna please hear Vivarana description. Translation: Now please listen to how Lord Krishna's consorts help him taste Rasa and how they help in his pastimes. कृष्ण कांत गण देखी त्रिविध प्रकार एक लक्ष्मी गण पूरे महिषी गण आर ब्रज ब्रजांगण रूप आर कांत गण सार श्री राधिका हैते कांत गणेर विस्तार. Krishna Kanta Gana, the lovers of Lord Krishna Dekhi, I see Triveda Prakar, three kinds. Eka Lakshmi Gana, the one the goddess of fortune, Pure in the city, Mahishi Gana, the queens, are and Vraja Angana, or the beautiful woman of Vraja, Rupa, having the form, are another type, Kanta Gana, of the lovers, Sar, the essence, Sri Radhika, Haite, from Srimati Radharani, Kanta Ganera, of Lord, of lovers of Krishna, Vistar, the expansion. The beloved consorts of Lord Krishna are of three kinds: the goddess of fortune, the queens, and the milkmaids of Raja, who are the foremost of all. These consorts all proceed from Radhika. अवतारी कृष्ण यायचे करे अवतार अंशिणी राधा हैते तीन गणेर विस्तार. Avatari, the source of all incarnations, Krishna, Lord Krishna, Yaiche, just as Kare makes Avatar, incarnation, Amshini, the source of all portions, Radha, Srimati Radharani, Haite, from, Tina, three, Ganera, of the groups, Vistar, expansion, translation. Just as the fountainhead, Lord Krishna is the cause of all incarnations, so Sri Radha is the cause of all these consorts. वैभव गण येन तार अंग विभूति बिंब प्रतिबिंब रूप महिषीरतति. Vaibhav Gana, the expansions, yena as it were, tar, offer, anga, of the body, vibhuti, powerful expansions, bimba, reflections, pratibimba, counter reflections, rupa, having the form, mahishira, of the queens, tati, expansion, the expansion. Translation: The goddess of fortune are partial manifestations of Srimati Radhika, and the queens are reflections of her image. लक्ष्मी गण तार वैभव विलासांश रूप महिषी गण वैभव प्रकाश स्वरूप. Synonyms: Lakshmi Gana, the goddess of fortune, Tar, her, Vaibhava Vilas, as Vaibhava Vilas, Amsh, of plenary portion, Rupa, having the form, Mahishi Gana, the queens, Vaibhav Prakash, of Vaibhav Prakash, Swarupa, having the nature. Translation: The goddess of fortune are her plenary portions, and they display the forms of Vaibhava Vilas. The queens are of the nature of her Vaibhav Prakash. आकार स्वभावे भेदे व्रज देवी गण काय व्यूह रूप तार रसेर कारण. Akar of features, Swabhav of natures, Vede with differences, Brajadevi Gana, the gopis, Kaya of a body, Vyuha of expansions, Rupa having the form, Tara of her, Rasera of mellows, Karana instruments. Translation: The Brajadevis have diverse bodily features. They are her expansions and are the instruments for expanding rasa. बहुकांत बिना नाही रसेर उल्लास लीला सहाय लागी बहुत प्रकाश. Bahukanta, many kanta, many lovers, vina, without, nahi, there is not, rasera, of mellow, ullas, exaltation, leela, of pastimes, sahaya, helper, lagi, for the purpose of being, bahuta, many, prakash, manifestations. Translation: Without many consorts, there is not such exaltation in rasa. Therefore, there are many manifestations of Srimati Radharani to assist in the Lord's pastimes. तार मध्ये व्रजे नाना भाव रस भेदे कृष्णा के कराय रसादे कलीला स्वादे. तार मध्ये among them vraje in vraja nana various forms भाव of moods rasa and of mellows भेदे by differences. Krishna ke Lord Krishna karaya cause to do Rasadike, beginning with the Ras dance. Leela, the pastimes are Swadi, tasting. Among them are various groups of consorts in Braja who have varieties of sentiments and values. They help Lord Krishna taste all sweetness of the Rasa dance and other pastimes. Purport. As already explained, Krishna and Radha are one and two. They are identical. Krishna expands himself in multi-incarnations and plenary portions, like the Purushas. Similarly, Srimati Radharani expands herself in multi forms as the goddess of fortune, the queens, and the damsels of Braja. Such expansions of Srimati Radharani are all her plenary portions. All these womanly forms of Krishna are expansions corresponding to his plenary expansions of Vishnu forms. These expansions have been compared to reflected forms of the original form. There is no difference between the original form and the reflected forms. The female reflections of Krishna's pleasure potency are as good as Krishna himself. The plenary expansions of Krishna's personality are called Vaibhava Vilas and Vaibhav Prakash, and Radha's expansions are similarly described. The goodness of fortune are her Vaibhava Vilas forms. The goddesses of fortune are her Vaibhava Vilas forms, and the queens are her Vaibhav Prakash forms. The personal associates of Radharani, the damsels of Raja, are direct expansions of a body. As expansions of a personal form and transcendental disposition, they are the agents of different reciprocations of love in the pastimes of Lord Krishna, under the supreme direction of Srimati Radharani. In the transcendental realm, enjoyment is fully relished in variety. The exuberance of the transcendental mellows is increased by the association of large number of personalities similar to Radharani, who are also as gopis or sakhis. The variety of innumerable mistresses is a source of relish for Sri Krishna, and therefore these expansions of from Srimati Radharani are necessary for enhancing the pleasure potency of Sri Krishna. Their transcendental exchanges of love are the super excellent affairs or the pastimes in Vrindavan. By these expansions of Srimati Radharani's personal body, she helps Lord Krishna taste the rasa dance and other similar activities. Srimati Radharani being central petal of the Rasa Leela flower is also known by the names found in the following verses. गोविन्दानन्दिनी राधा गोविन्दमोहिनी गोविन्द सर्वस्व सर्वकान्त शिरोमणि गोविन्दानन्दिनी राधा गोविन्दमोहिनी गोविन्द सर्वस्व सर्वकान्त शिरोमणि गोविन्दानन्दिनी she who gives pleasure to Govinda, Radha, Srimati Radharani, Govinda Mohini, she who mystifies Govinda, Govinda Sarvasva, the be all and end all of Govinda, Sarvakanta of all Lord's lovers, Shiromani, the crown jewel. Radha is the one who gives pleasure to Govinda, and she is also the enchantress of Govinda. She is be all and end all of Govinda, and the crest jewel of all his consorts. देवी कृष्णमयी प्रोक्ता राधिका परिदे परदेवता सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी सर्वकांति शेरोम सम्मोहिनी परा. Devi, who shines brilliantly, Krishnamayi, non-different from Lord Krishna, Prokta, called Radhika, Srimati Radharani, Paradevata, most worshipable, Sarva Lakshmi Mai, presiding over all the goddesses of fortune, Sarva Kanti, in whom all splendor exists, Sammohini, whose character completely bewilders Lord Krishna, Para, the superior energy. Translation. The transcendental goddesses, Srimati Radharani. The transcendental goddess, Srimati Radharani, is the direct counterpart of Lord Sri Krishna. She is the central figure of all goddesses of fortune. She possesses all the attractiveness to attract the all attractive personality of Godhead. She is the primeval internal potency of the Lord. This text is from Brihad Gautamiya Tantra. देवी कही दयोत्मान परम सुंदरी किंवा कृष्ण पूजा क्रीडार वसती नागरी. Devi, the word Devi, Kahi, I say, Dyotman, shining, Parama, most, Sundari, beautiful, Kimba, or Krishna, Puja, the worship of Lord Krishna, Kridar, and of sports, Vasati, the boat, Nagari, the town. Translation. Devi means resplendent and most beautiful, or else it means the lovely abode of the worship and love sports of Lord Krishna. कृष्णमयी कृष्ण यार भीतर बाहिरे यहाँ यहाँ नेत्र पड़े तहाँ कृष्ण स्फुरे. Krishnamai, the word Krishnamai, Krishna, Lord Krishna, Yar, of whom, Bhitare, the within, Bahire, the without, Yaha Yaha, wherever, Netra, the eyes, Pade, fall, Taha, there, Krishna, Lord Krishna, Sphure, manifest. Translation. Krishnamai means one who's within and without our Lord Krishna. She sees Lord Krishna wherever she casts her glance. किंब प्रेम रसमय कृष्णेर स्वरूप तार शक्ति तार सह हय एक रूप किंब और प्रेम रस the mellows of love maya made of Krishnera of Lord Krishna Swarupa the real nature Tara of him Shakti the energy Tarasa with him higher there is Ekarupa oneness. Translation or Krishnamai means that she is identical with Lord Krishna for she embodies the mellows of love. The energy of Lord Krishna is identical with him. Purport Krishnamai has two different imports. First, a person who always thinks of Krishna both within and without and who always remembers only Krishna wherever he goes or whatever he sees is called Krishnamai. Also, since Krishna's personality is full of love, his loving potency Radharani being non-different from him is called Krishnamai. कृष्ण वांछा पूर्ति रूप करे आराधने अतएव राधिका नाम पुराणे बखाने Krishna Vancha or the desire of Lord Krishna Purti Rupa or the nature of fulfillment Kari does Aradhane worship Ataiva therefore Radhika Srimati Radhika named Purane in the Puranas Bakhane in the description. Her worship Aradhana consists of fulfilling the desires of Lord Krishna. Therefore Puranas call her Radhika. The name Radha is derived from the root word aradhana, which means worship. The personality who excels all in worshipping Krishna may therefore be called Radhika, the greatest servitor. अन्याराधितो नूनं भगवान् हरि ईश्वर यन्नो विहाय गोविन्द प्रीतो अयम् अनयाद्रः Anaya, by this one, Aradhita worship Noonam, certainly Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, Lord Krishna, Ishvara, the Supreme Lord, Yat, from which now us, Vihaya, leaving aside, Govinda, Preeta, pleased, Yam, whom, Anayat, lead, Raha, at a lonely place. Translation Truly the personality of Godhead has been worshipped by her. Therefore, Lord Govinda, being pleased, has brought her to a lonely spot, leaving us all behind. This is a text from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.30.28. अतएव सर्वपूज्य परम देवता सर्वपालिक सर्वजगतेर माता अतएव therefore सर्वपूज्य worshipable by all param supreme devata goddess sarvapalika the protectress of all sarvajagater mata of all the universes the mother. Therefore, Radha is Param Devata, the supreme goddess, and she is worshipable by for everyone. She is the protectress, and she is the mother of the entire universe. सर्व लक्ष्मी शब्द पूर्वे करियाछि व्याख्यान सर्व लक्ष्मी गणेरति हो अधिष्ठान सर्व लक्ष्मी शब्द the word सर्व लक्ष्मी पूर्वे previously kariyachi I have done व्याख्यान explanation सर्व लक्ष्मी गणेर of all goddesses of fortune तिहो she han is adhishthan abode. Translation I have already explained the meaning of Sarva Lakshmi. Radha is the original source of all the goddesses of fortune. किं वा सर्वलक्ष्मी कृष्णेर सद्विद ऐश्वर्य तार अधिष्ठात्री शक्ति सर्वशक्तिवर्य किं वा सर्वलक्ष्मी और सर्वलक्ष्मी the word सर्वलक्ष्मी कृष्णेर of Lord Krishna satveda 6 kinds aishwarya opulences tar of him adhishthatri chief shakti energy sarvashakti of all energies varya the best or Sarva Lakshmi indicates that she fully represents the six opulences of Krishna. Therefore, she is the supreme energy of Lord Krishna. सर्व सौंदर्य कांति विषये यहाँ ते सर्व लक्ष्मी गणेर शोभा हय यहाँ हईते सर्व सौंदर्य of all beauty कांति the splendor विषये sits यहाँ ते in whom सर्व लक्ष्मी गणेर of all goddess of fortune shobha the splendor haya is यहाँ हईते from whom the word Sarva Kanti indicates that all beauty and luster rests in her body. All the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. किं व कांति शब्दे कृष्णेर सब इच्छा कहे कृष्णेर सकल वांछा राधा ते रहे किं व और कांति शब्दे by the word कांति कृष्णेर of Lord Krishna सब all इच्छा desires कहे says कृष्णेर of Lord Krishna सकल all वांछा desires राधा ते in Srimati Radharani rahe remain. Translation Kanti may also mean all the desires of Lord Krishna. All the desires of Lord Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. राधिका करेण कृष्णेर वांछित पुराण सर्व कांति शब्देर एयी अर्थ विवरण. Synonyms Radhika Srimati Radhika Karena tas Krishnera of Lord Krishna Vanchita desired object Purana fulfilling Sarvakanti Shabdera or the word Sarvakanti A Artha meaning Vivarana the description translation Srimati Radhika fulfills all the desires of Lord Krishna. This is the meaning of Sarvakanti. जगत मोहन कृष्ण ताहार मोहिनी अतएव समस्तेर पर ठकुरानी जगत mohan enchanting the universe Krishna Lord Krishna tahar of him mohini enchantress ataiva therefore samaster of all para foremost Thakurani goddess. Lord Krishna enchants the world, but Sri Radha enchants even him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddesses of all. राधा पूर्ण शक्ति कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान दुई वस्तु भेद नाई शास्त्रेर प्रमाण. Radha, Srimati Radharani, Purna Shakti, the complete energy, Krishna, Lord Krishna, Purna Shaktiman, complete possessor of energy, Dui Vastu, two things, Vedanai, difference there is not, Shastra Praman, the evidence of the revealed scripture. Sri Radha is the full power of Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna is the possessor of full power. Sri Radha is the full power, and Lord Krishna is the possessor of full power. The two are not different, as evidenced by revealed scriptures. मृग मद तार गंध यायचे अविच्छेद अग्नि ज्वाला ते यायचे कबू नाही भेद. Synonyms: मृग मद musk, tar of that gandh fragrance, yache just as avichhed inseparable, agni the fire, jwala the temperature, yache just as, kabu nahi any, there is not, the difference. They are indeed the same, just as musk and its scent are inseparable, or as fire and its heat are non-different. राधा कृष्ण ये ऐच्छे सदा एक ही स्वरूप लीला रस आस्वादिते धरे दुई रूप. राधा कृष्ण ऐच्छे सदा एक ही स्वरूप लीला रस आस्वादिते धरे दुई रूप. Radha Krishna Aiche in this way Sada always Ekai fun Swarupa nature Leela Ras the mellows of the past of a pastime Aswadite to taste Dhare manifest Doi Rupa two forms. Thus Radha and Lord Krishna are one, yet they have taken two forms to enjoy the mellows of pastimes. प्रेम भक्ति सिखाइते अपने अवतारी राधा भाव कांति दुई अंगीकार करी. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य रूपे कैला अवतार एत पंचम श्लोकेर अर्थ प्रचार. प्रेम भक्ति devotional service in Lord love of Godhead शिखाइते to teach apane himself avatari descending. Radha Bhav the mood of Srimati Radharani Kanti and luster dui to angikar kari accepting. Sri Krishna Chaitanya of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Rupe in the form Kaila made avatar incarnation. A this the certainly Panchama fifth Shlokera of the first Artha meaning Prachar proclamation. Translation promulgate Prema Bhakti, devotional service and love of Godhead. Krishna appeared as Sri Krishna Chaitanya with the mood and complexion of Sri Radha. Thus I have explained the meaning of the fifth verse. षष्ठ श्लोकेर अर्थ करिते प्रकाश प्रथमे कहिए से श्लोकेर आभास. षष्ठ sixth श्लोकेर of the verse अर्थ करि करिते meaning karite to do prakash manifestation. Prathame first kahiye I shall speak say that shlokera abhas of the verse hint. To explain the sixth verse I shall first give a hint of its meaning. अवतारी प्रभु प्रचारेला संकीर्तन एहो बाह्य हेतु पूर्वे करिया छे सूचन. Avatari incarnation Prabhu the Lord Pracharila propagated Sankirtan congregational chanting of the holy name. Eho this Bahya the external Hetu reason Purve previously Kariyachi I have given Suchana indication. The Lord came to propagate Sankirtan. This is an external purpose as I have already indicated. अवतारेर आर एक आछे मुख्य बीज रसिक शेखर कृष्णे रसेई कार्य निज. Avatarir of the incarnation are another ek one ache there is mukhya bij principal seed. Rasika Shekhar the foremost enjoyer of the mellows of love. Krishna of Lord Krishna say that karya business nij own. There is a principal cause for Lord Krishna's appearance. It grows from his own engagements. as the foremost enjoyer of the loving exchanges. अति गुण हेतु से त्रिविध प्रकार दामोदर स्वरूप है ते यहाँ प्रचार. अति गूढ़, अति very good esoteric hetu reason say that trivid three prakar kinds damodar swarup haite from swarup damodar yahar of which prachar the proclamation that most confidential cause is threefold. Swarup Damodar has revealed it. स्वरूप गोसाई प्रभुर अत्यंतरंग ताहाँ ते जाने न प्रभुर ए सब प्रसंग. स्वरूप गोसाई, स्वरूप दामोदर गोस्वामी, प्रभुर of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, अति very अंतरंग confidential associate, ताहाँ ते by that, जानेन he knows, प्रभुर of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ये सब all these prasang topics. Swarup Gosai is the most intimate associate of the Lord. He therefore knows all these topics well. Purport. Prior to the Lord's acceptance of renounced order, Purushottam Bhattacharya, a resident of Navadvip, desired to enter the renounced order of life. Therefore, he left home and went to Banaras, where he accepted the position of a brahmacharya from a Mayavadi sannyasi. When he became a brahmachari, he was given the name Sri Damodar Swarup. He left Banaras shortly thereafter without taking sannyas, and he came to Nilachal, Jagannath Puri, where Lord Chaitanya was staying. He met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there and dedicated his life for the service of the Lord. He became Lord Chaitanya's secretary and constant companion. He used to enhance the pleasure potency of the Lord by singing appropriate songs, which were very much appreciated. Swarup Damodar could understand the secret mission of the Lord Chaitanya, and it was by his grace only that all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya could know the real purpose of the Lord. Swarup Damodar has been identified as Lalita Devi, the second expansion of Radharani. However, text 160 of Kavi Karnapurna's authoritative Gaur Ganodesh Deepika described Swarup Damodar as the same Vishaka Devi who serves the Lord in Golok Vrindavan. Therefore, it is to be understood that Swarup Damodar is a direct expansion of Radharani who helps the Lords experience the attitude of Radharani. राधिकार भाव मूर्ति प्रभुर अंतर से भावे सुख दुख उठे निरंतर. Radhikar of Srimati Radharani Bhava Murti, the form of the emotions Prabhu of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Antar, the heart, say that Bhave in the connection, in the condition, Sukha, Dukha, happiness and distress, Ute, arise, Nirantar, constantly. Translation. The heart of Lord Chaitanya is the image of Sri Radhika's emotions, thus feeling the pleasure and pain arise constantly therein. Thus feelings of pleasure and pain arise constantly therein. Purport. Lord Chaitanya's heart was full of the feelings of Srimati Radharani, and his appearance resembled hers. Swarup Damodar has explained his attitude as Radha Bhava Murti, the attitude of Radharani. One who engages in sense gratification on the material platform can hardly understand Radha Bhav, but one who is freed from the demands of sense gratification can understand it. Radha Bhav must be understood from the Goswamis, those who are actually controllers of the senses. From such authorized sources, it is to be known that attitude of Srimati Radharani is the highest perfection of conjugal love, which is the highest of the five transcendental values, and it is complete perfection of love of Krishna. These transcendental affairs can be understood on two platforms. One is called elevated, another is called super elevated. The loving affairs exhibited in Dwarka are the elevated form. The super elevated position is reached in the manifestations of pastimes of Vrindavan. The attitude of Lord Chaitanya is certainly super elevated. From the life of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, an intelligent person engaged in pure devotional service can understand that he always felt separation from Krishna within himself. In that separation, he sometimes felt that he had found Krishna and was enjoying the meeting. The significance of this separation and meeting is very specific. If someone tries to understand the exalted position of Lord Chaitanya without knowing this, he is sure to misunderstand it. One must first become fully self realized, otherwise, one may misidentify Lord as Nagar, or the enjoyer of the damsels of Rajat, thus committing the mistakes of Rasabhas or overlapping understanding. शेषलीलाय प्रभुर कृष्ण विरह उन्माद ब्रह्ममय चेष्ट आर प्रलापमय वाद. शेषलीलाय, in the final past tense, Prabhu of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna Virah, from separation of from Lord Krishna, Unmad, the madness, Brahmamaya, erroneous, Cheshta, the efforts are, and Pralapamaya, delirious, Vad, talk. Translation. In the final portion of his pastimes, Lord Chaitanya was obsessed with the madness of separation from Lord Krishna. He acted in erroneous ways and talked deliriously. Purport. Lord Sri Chaitanya exhibited the highest stage of the feelings of a devotee in separation from the Lord. This exhibition was sublime because he was completely perfect in the feelings of separation. Materialists, however, cannot understand this. Sometimes materialistic scholars think he was a diseased or crazy. Their problem is that they always engage in material sense gratification and can never understand the feelings of the devotees and Lord. Materialists are most abominable in their ideas. They think that they can enjoy directly perceivable gross objects by their senses and that they can similarly deal with the transcendental features of Lord Chaitanya. But Lord is understood only in pursuance of the principles laid down by the Goswamis, headed by Swarup Damodar. Doctrines like those of Nadia Nagaris, a class of so-called devotees, are never presented by authorized persons like Swarup Damodar or the six Goswamis. The ideas of Gauranga Nagaris are simply a mental concoction and they are completely on the mental platform. राधिकार भाव याचे उद्धव दर्शन सेई भावे मत प्रभु रहे रात्रि दिन. Radhikar of Srimati Radharani Bhav, emotion yache just as Uddhava darshan, in seeing Uddhav, say that Bhave in the state, Matta maddened, Prabhu, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rahe Ratri Din, remains day and night. Just as Radhika went mad at the sight of Uddhava, so Lord Chaitanya was obsessed day and night with the madness of separation. Purport. Those under the shelter of lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can understand that his mode of worship of the Supreme Lord Krishna in separation is real worship of the Lord. When the feelings of separation become very intense, one attains the stage of meeting Sri Krishna. The so-called devotees like Sahajiyas cheaply imagine they are meeting Krishna in Vrindavan. Such thinking may be useful, but actual meeting Krishna is possible through the attitude of separation taught by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. रात्री प्रलाप करे स्वरूपेर कंठधारी आवेशे अपन भाव कह ये उगाड़ी. रात्रि at night pralap delirium करे does स्वरूपेर of Swarup Damodar कंठधारी embracing the neck आवेशे in ecstasy अपना his own भाव mood कह ye speaks उगाड़ी exuberantly. At night, he talked incoherently in grief with his arms around Swarupa Damodar's neck. He spoke out his heart in ecstatic inspiration. यबे ये भाव उठे प्रभुर अंतर सेई गीति श्लोके सुख देन दामोदर. Symptoms. Yabe when ye that bhava mood uthe arises prabhur of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu antar in the heart, saying that Giti by the song, shloke or verse, sukha happiness, dena gives, Damodar Swarup Damodar. Whenever a particular sentiment arose in his heart, Swarup Damodar satisfied him by singing songs or reciting verses of the same nature. एबे कार्य नाही के चुए सब विचारे आगे इह विवरिब करिया विस्तारे. Ebe now कार्य business nahi there is not kechu any a sub all these vichare in the considerations आगे ahead इह this vivariba I shall describe kariya doing vistare in the expanded detail. To analyze these pastimes is not necessary now. Later I shall describe them in detail. पूर्वे व्रजे कृष्णेर त्रिविध पयोधर्म कौमार पौगंड आर कैशोर अतिमर्म. पूर्वे previously व्रजे in Braja Krishner of Lord Krishna trivid three sorts vayah dharma characteristics of age kaumara childhood pauganda boyhood and are keshora adolescence atimarma the very core. Translation. Formerly in Braja, Lord Krishna displayed three ages, namely childhood, boyhood, and adolescence. His adolescence is especially significant. वात्सल्य आवेशे कैला कौमार सफल पौगंड सफल कैला लयक सखबल. Vatsalya of parental love, Aveshe in the attachment, Kaila made, Komar childhood, Safala fruitful, Pogand boyhood, Safala fruitful, Kaila made, Laya taking along, Sakhavala friends. Parental affection made his childhood fruitful. His boyhood was successful with his friends. राधिकादि लैया कैला रसादि विलास वांछा भारी आस्वादिला रसेरा निर्यास. Radhika Adi, Srimati Radharani and other gopis, Laya taking along Kaila did Rasa Adi, beginning with the Rasa dance, Vilas, pastimes, Vancha Bhari, fulfilling desires. Aswadela, he tasted. Rasera of mellow. Niryas, the essence. In youth, he tasted the essence of rasa, fulfilling his desires in pastimes like the rasa dance with Srimati Radhika and other gopis. कैशोर वयसे काम जगत सकल रसादी लीलाय तीन करिल सफल. कैशोर Kashur Vayasi in the adolescent age, Kama, amorous love, Jagat, Sakala, entire universe, Rasadi, such as Rasdams, Leelaya, by pastimes, Tina, 3, Karila, made, Safala, successful. Translation. In his youth, Lord Krishna made all the three of his ages and the entire universe successful by his pastimes of amorous love like the Rasdams. सोऽपि कैशोरकवयो मानयन् मधुसूदन रेमे स्त्रीरत्नकुतस्थ क्षपाशुक्षपिताहितः सः he api especially Kaishoraka the age of adolescence, Manayan, honoring Madhusudana, the killer of the Madhu demon, Remi enjoyed Sri Ratna of the gopis, Kuta in the multitudes, Staha situated, Shapashu in the autumn nights, Kshapita Ahita who destroys misfortune. Lord Madhusudan enjoyed his youth with pastimes on autumn nights in the midst of jewel-like milkmaids. Thus he dispelled all the misfortunes of the world. This is the verse from Vishnu Puran 5.13.60. वाच सुचित सर वाच सुचित शर्वरी रतिका रतिकला प्रागल्भया राधिकां व्रीडाकुञ्चितलोचनां विरचयन् अग्रे सखीनाम् असौ तद्वक्षोरुहचित्रकेरी मकरीपाण्डित्यपरं गतः कैशोरं सफलीकरोति कलयं कुञ्जे विहारं हरि. Vach by speech Yuchita revealing Sharvari of the night, Rati in amorous pastimes, Kala of the portion, Pragalbhayaya the impudence, Radhikam Srimati Radhika Radharani breeder from shame, Kunchita Lochana having her eyes closed, Veerachayan making a grave before Sakina her friends, also that one tat of her Baksharuha on the breasts, Chitrakeli with variegated pastimes, Makari in drawing dolphins, Panditya cleverness, Param the limit, Gata Hurish, Kaishoram adolescence, Safali Karoti makes successful, Kalayan performing Kunje in the bushes, Viharam pastimes, Hari the supreme personality of Godhead. Lord Krishna made Srimati Radharani close her eyes in shame before her friends by his words relating to their amorous activities on the previous night. Then he showed the highest limit of cleverness in drawing pictures of dolphins in various playful sports on her breasts. In this way, Lord Hari made his youth successful by performing pastimes in the bushes with Sri Radha and her friends. Purport. This is the verse from Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 2.1.231 of Srila Rupa Goswami. हरिर्एष न चेद अवातरिष्यान् मथुरायां मधुराक्षीराधिका च अभ अभविष्याद् इयं वृथवृष्टिर्मकरङ्क्यस्तु विशेषतस्तदात्र. Hari, Lord Krishna, Esha, this, na, not, chet, if, avatarishyad, would have descended, Mathurayam in Mathura, Madhura Akshi, O lovely eyed one, Purnamashi, Radhika, Srimati Radhika, Cha, and Abhavishyad would have been Yam, this, Vritha, useless, Vrishti, the whole creation, Makara Anka, the demigod of love Cupid, 2, then Visheshata, above all, Tada, then Atra, in this. O Purnamashi, if Lord Hari had not descended in Mathura with Srimati Radharani, this entire creation and especially Cupid, the demigod of love, would have been useless. Purport. This verse is spoken by Sri Vrinda Devi in Vidagdha Madhav 7.3 of Sri Rupa Goswami. एम तव पूर्वे कृष्ण रसे रसदान यद्यपि करिला रस निर्यास चर्वण तथापि न हिलति न वांछित पुराण ताहा आस्वादिते यदि करिला यतन. Eimata, like this, previously, Krishna, Lord Krishna, Rasera of mellows, Sadhana, the reservoir, Yadyapi, even though Karila did rasa of the mellows, niryasa the essence, charvana chewing, tatapi still Nahila was not Tina 3 Vanchita desired objects, Purana fulfilling, Taha that aswadite to taste, Yadi though Karila were made, Yatana efforts. Translation. Even though Lord Krishna, the abode of all mellows, had previously in this way cured the essence of the mellows of love, still he was unable to fulfill three desires, although he made efforts to taste them. ताहार प्रथम वंश करिए व्याख्यान कृष्ण कहे आमी हई रसेर निदान ताहार his first his pratham first vancha desire kariye I do व्याख्यान explanation Krishna Lord Krishna kahe says ami hai I am raser of melu nidan primary cause translation I shall explain his first desire Krishna says I am the primary cause of all rasas पूर्णानंदमय आमी चिन्मय पूर्ण तत्व राधिकार प्रेम आमकाराय उन्मत्त पूर्णानंदमय made of full joy आमी I चिन्मय spiritual पूर्ण तत्व full of truth राधिकार of Srimati Radharani preme the love ama me karaye makes unmatta maddened I am the full spiritual truth and I am made of full joy but the love of Srimati Radharani drives me mad न जानी राधार प्रेमे आचे कतबल ये बले हमारे करे सर्वदा विहबल न जानी I do not know Radhar of Srimati Radharani preme in the love yad ache there is kata how much bal strength ye which bale strength amare me kare makes sarvada always vibhavala. Translation. I do not know the strength of Radha's love with which she always overwhelms me. राधिकार प्रेम गुरु आमी शिष्य नाट सदा आम नाना नृत्य नाचाय उद्भवत राधिकार प्रेम of Srimati Radharani the love guru teacher Ami I Shishya disciple Nata dancer Sada always Ama me Nana various Nritya in dances Nachaya causes to dance Udbhata novel the love of Radhika is my teacher and I am her dancing pupil. Her prema makes me dance various novel dances. कस्मात् वृन्दे प्रिया सखी हरे पाद मूलात् कुतो असौ कुन्दारण्य किम इह कुरुते नृत्यशिक्षां गुरुक तं त्वान्मूर्तिः प्रतितरु लतां लतं दिग्विदिक्षु स्फुरन्ति शैलूषीव भ्रमति परितो नर्तयन्ति स्वपश्चात् Kasmat from where Vrinde, O Vrinde Priya Saki, O dear friend Hare, of Lord Hari, Padamulat, from the lotus feet, Kuta, where, Asau, that one, Lord Krishna, Kunda Aranya, in the forest on the bank of Radha Kunda, Kim, what, Iha, here, Kurute, he does, Nritya Shiksham, dancing practice, Guru, teacher, Kaha, Tam, him, Twatmurti, your form, Pratitarulatam, on every tree and vine, Dikvidikshu in all directions, Spuranti appearing, Shailushi expert dancer, Iva like, Pramati vendors, Paritaha all around, Nartayanti causing to dance, Swapascha behind. O my beloved friend Brinda, where are you coming from? I am coming from the feet of Srihari. Where is he? In the forest or bank of Radhakund. What is he doing there? He is learning dancing. Who is his master? Your image, Radha, revealing itself in every tree and creeper, in every direction, is roaming like a skillful dancer, making him dance behind. This text is from Govinda Leelamrit, 8.77 of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. निज प्रेम आस्वादे मोर हय ये आह्लाद ताहा हिते कोटि गुण राधा प्रेम आस्वाद निज own prem love आस्वादे in tasting more my higher there is ye whatever ahlad pleasure taha haite than that koti guna 10 million times greater radha of Srimati Radharani prema swad the tasting of love whatever pleasure I get from tasting my love from Srimati Radharani she tastes 10 million times more than me by her love आमी आमी यायचे परस्पर विरुद्ध धर्माश्रय राधा प्रेम तैचे सदा विरुद्ध धर्ममय I just as paraspar mutually viruddha dharma of conflicting characteristics ashray the abode Radha Prema the love of Srimati Radharani Taiche just so sada always viruddha dharma maya consist of conflicting characteristics just as I am the abode of all mutually contradictory characteristics so Radha's love is all full of similar contradictions राधा प्रेम विभूयार बाड़ीते नाही थाई तथापि से क्षणे क्षणे बढ़ाए सदाई राधा प्रेम the love of Srimati Radharani Vibhu or pervading yar of which बढ़ीते to increase nigh there is not thigh space तथापि still that say क्षणे क्षणे every second बढ़ाए increases sadai always Radha's love is all pervading leaving no room for expansion but still it is expanding constantly यहाँ वै गुरु वस्तु नाही सुनिश्चित तथापि गुरुर धर्म गौरव वर्जित यहाँ which way besides guru great vastu thing nahi there is not सुनिश्चित quite certainly तथापि still gurur of greatness dharma characteristics gaurav varjit devoid of pride translation there is certainly nothing greater than her love but her love is devoid of pride that is the sign of his greatness यहाँ है ते सुनिर्मल द्वितीय नाही यार तथापि सर्वदा वाम्य वक्र व्यवहार यहाँ है ते than which सुनिर्मल very pure द्वितीय second नाही यार there is not another तथापि still सर्वदा always वाम्य perverse वक्र crooked व्यवहार behavior nothing is purer than her love but its behavior is always perverse and crooked विभुरपि कलयान् सदाभिवृद्धिं गुरुरपि गौरवचर्यया विहीनः मुहुरुपचितविक्रम वक्रिमापि शुद्धो जयति मूरद्विषि राधिकानुरागः विभु all pervading api although kalayan making sada always abhivriddhim increase guru important api although gaurava charyaya vihina without proud behavior moho again and again upachita increased vakrima duplicity api although shuddha pure jayati all glories to muradvishi for krishna the enemy of demon mura radhika of Srimati Radharani anugraha the love all glories to Radha's love for Krishna the enemy of demon mura although it is all pervading it tends to increase at every moment although it is important it is devoid of all pride and although it is pure, it is always beset with duplicity. This is word verse from Danakeli Comedy 2nd of Sri Rupa Goswami. Sei premera Sri Radhika Parama Ashraye Sei premara Ami Hai Keval Veshaye Say that premera of love Sri Radhika Srimati Radhika Parama highest Ashraye abode Say that premara of the love Ami I Hai है am केवल only विषय object Sri Radhika is the highest abode of that love and I am its only object विषय जातीय सुख अमर आस्वाद आमा हईते कोटि गुण आश्रयेर आलाद विषय जातीय relating to the object sukha happiness amar my aswad tasting ama haite than me koti guna 10 million times more ashrayir of the abode ahlad pleasure I taste the bliss to which the object of love is entitled but the pleasure of radha the abode of that love is 10 million times greater आश्रये जातीय सुख पाइते माने धाय यत्ने आस्वादिते नारी की करी उपाय आश्रये जातीय relating to the abode sukha happiness paite to obtain mana the mind dhay chases yatne by effort aswadite to taste nari am unable ki what kari I do upay way my mind races to taste pleasure experienced by the abode but I cannot taste it even by my best efforts how may I taste it कभु यदि ए प्रेमार हये आश्रय तबे ए प्रेमानंदेर अनुभव है कभु sometimes यदि if I this premar of the love हये I become ashray the boot तबे then a this premanandir of the joy of love anubhav experience हये there is if sometime I can be the abode of that love Only then may I taste its joy. Purport. Vishaya and Ashray are two very significant words related to the reciprocation between Krishna and his devotee. The devotee is called the Ashray and his beloved Krishna the Vishay. Different ingredients are involved in the exchange of love between Ashray and Vishay, which are known as Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvika, and Vyabhichari. Vibhav is divided into the categories Alambana, Uddipana. Alamban may be further divided into Ashray and Vishay. In the loving affairs of Radha and Krishna, Radharani is the Ashray feature and Krishna is the Vishay. The transcendental consciousness of the Lord tells him, I am Krishna and I experience pleasure as the Vishay. The pleasure enjoyed by Radharani, the Ashray, is many times greater than the pleasure I feel. Therefore, to feel the pleasure of the Ashray category, Lord Krishna appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. एत चिंती रहे कृष्ण परम कौतुकी हृदये बाड़ाये प्रेम लोभ धक धकी एत चिंती thinking thus rahi remains Krishna Lord Krishna parama kautuki the supremely curious hridaye in the heart badaye increases prema lobha eager desire for love dhak dhaki blazing thinking in this way Lord Krishna was curious to taste that love his eager desire for that love increasingly blazed in his heart.